Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problem. To know how to find a solution about Twitter problem, you should just go to settings. Here on this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Twitter. Here in this page of app info, here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. We'll wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.